Hey everyone, it's Jennifer from the Car Aficionada, and today I wanted to show you the My Dip Kit Hydro Dipping Kit. Now if you're not familiar with what hydro dipping or hydrographics is, it's basically a water transfer painting process that allows you to put a variety of graphics onto basically anything that you want, from car parts, video game controllers, whatever. My Dip Kit was nice enough to send me 2 of their popular carbon fiber prints. And basically everything that you need, or almost everything that you need, is included in this poster too. It includes a meter of film, a can of primer, base coat, activator, and clear coat. It also includes a scuff pad, a respirator mask, a set of gloves, and also protective sleeves so that you don't get paint going up your arm or on your shirt. You of course will need a tub or a container of some sort for putting the water in and dipping in. You may also need some masking tape, and of course you will need whatever parts that you will be dipping. This is one of those easy pass things that actually comes with suction cups, so you can just remove it from vehicle to vehicle. And I'm also doing a couple of wheel center caps for an old Mini. Now the first step, is prepping your parts, and I've already done that with these. Go ahead, get them clean, rinse them in a liquid detergent, and scuff them up. So the next step will be priming. So overall, I'm actually really impressed with the results. My dip kit does recommend that you start out with a flat object before you actually go on to what you really want to hydro dip. So it actually turned out really well on the center cap. On the Easy Pass holder, however, I really did this just because I wanted to see how it worked out with the 3 faces. It came out a little distorted and a little funky. I kind of didn't have a good steady hand for it, but overall I'm really pleased. It did come out a little weird when I clear coated it. I think that the hydrographic foam was not completely bonded in those 2 spots, so it ended up being just the base color coming through. But overall I'm looking really forward to practicing a little bit more with the kits. If you want them, they are about $70 on mydipkit.com. So thanks for watching my review, and I'll see you guys later.